groceries, but this time I got them from Amazon Press. Y'all know I had to stop shopping with them because they gave my groceries to somebody else. It was a lot. Anyways, I'm sharing what I got. Like I said, y'all, these salads are so good. Y'all see I keep them. They are so good. Like, try them, so good. Got some chicken pot pie and biscuits. I thought I ordered 2 of these, but I guess I only have 1. Some tropical mixed fruits. We needed that. So y'all gonna start doing rice smoothies. Got some french fries. I love these. I love these too, so I got those. Got some Chobani yogurt. These are my favorite ones. These are so good. Let me know if y'all try these. They so good. A thing of lemons for my tea and just to eat them. You know, when you're sick, you can just eat the lemons and it'll make you feel a little bit better. I got some lips and black tea because I am a little bit under the weather. I got this Bigelow green tea with ginger, the probiotic one. I absolutely love this one. I love Bigelow's tea. They are so good, especially this one. I got some syrup. I got the knockoff brand this time because the other one is like $4, almost $5, and they're the same size, and this was only like $2. Like, what is going on? Like, I heard the raw honey is good for you when you're sick, so I got some of that. A bag of chicken. Got 2 things of catfish. I didn't make some catfish spaghetti and garlic bread one of these days, so I got 2 packs of those. Got some wine because I needed some wine. Like, got that. Yes, I drink this one. It's cheap, but. And I got a case of water. This is not the one I wanted. I usually get the Pure Life, but they did not have it, so I had to get this one. But yeah. So yeah, that's all I got from Amazon Fresh. Now I'm about to make me some breakfast and I'll probably make some coffee or something. But anyways, make sure you guys like, subscribe, share my channel. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment. And yeah, let's see what we can go.